Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to cancel your Adobe Creative Cloud subscription on your Mac. Whether it's for Photoshop, Premiere Pro, or the All Apps plan, we've got you covered. So if you've decided it's time to stop your plan or switch to another one, let's begin. Now you have two options that you can do from here. You can go to your Safari browser and log into adobe.com and use your credentials. But if you want to open the Adobe Creative Cloud on your app, it's okay because from here you can access the plans by clicking the View All Plans at the top right corner, which will give you the option to manage your account. All right. As you can see, you can view all plans. Is it going to be all apps, Adobe Stock, or tutorials? Now we're gonna hover to the apps section. From here, you need to simply go to the plans section from the top menu. Now here, you will see all the active plans tied to your account like Photoshop, Premiere Pro, or the All Apps plan. Now, it's very simple. Just find the plan you want to cancel, okay? And then click the Manage Plan. Then select Cancel your plan or cancel plan from the options that appear. It's very simple. Adobe will ask you why you are canceling and choose any reason that fits or select prefer not to say to skip ahead. Okay? In my case, I don't have the plans available because I am not yet subscribed to any of the Adobe Creative Cloud because as you can see, this is a newly created account. But in your case, you may see offers like discounts or the option to pause your plan temporarily. If you still want to proceed, scroll down and click Continue to Cancel, then confirm on the final step because Adobe will show you the effective cancellation date, especially if you are on the annual plan or with a prepaid or monthly commitment. It's up to you. Once you're done, check your email for a confirmation message from Adobe because that's how you'll know your subscription has been successfully canceled. All right? But if in case they are having problems, canceling your plans here in Adobe, the last thing that you can do is go to the help section. Just tell them your situation so that they can offer a solution to potentially fix your Adobe Cloud cancellation issue. All right. And basically, that's it for today's video. That's how you cancel your Adobe Creative Cloud subscription on Mac, whether it's Photoshop, Premiere Pro, or the full All Apps plan. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.